Hey, it is Victoria, and I'm coming to you guys live and in my bathrobe today. So please excuse my look. I am just waking up, rough night. But I wanted to address some of the things. I've been getting a lot of DMs from you all regarding underarm lightening from my last lightening video. If you don't know what I'm referring to, I will leave a link in the description box to that video. So basically, I showed you guys how to make a paste at home to lighten your dark underarm areas. And then a lot of you had questions regarding what I do as far as preventative measures and so on. So I did realize, you know what, I didn't share that in that video, so I'm going to go ahead and share that with you all now. So stay tuned, it's coming up next. Alright guys, so I wanted to share with you all in order of importance what has worked for me. So in order of importance, I feel like that really changed the darkening under my arms and helping me maintain the lightening of that is changing your deodorant. If you are using a deodorant that has aluminum in it, then I would suggest switching over to a natural deodorant. The natural deodorant that I like to use is this Clay Dry, and this is by Zion Health. It looks like this, and I will leave a link in the description box below. And this is amazing. I find that any type of deodorant, like I said, that has aluminum in it, it causes it to be darker under your arms. And not only that, it also causes it's been linked to breast cancer and so on. So make sure you're using an all natural deodorant. This smells amazing and it lasts a really long time, so it's not like, I really haven't noticed from switching over the difference as far as being able to hold in that area, you know what I mean? Like, so I don't recognize or feel like that this is less stronger than your basic Degree or Suave or what have you. The only thing that I found that's different in regards to this is there's a less darkening under my arms. So make sure you check this out. I will leave a link in the description box about this. Now, the next thing that I wanted to touch on with you all in regards to keeping that area light under your arms or just maintaining it, and like I said, I'm going in order of importance, it is shaving or your shaving routine. Now, so some of you like to get waxed and some of you shave. I would suggest shaving, and the reason, a lot of people won't, but the only reason I suggest shaving is because I feel like it is very important to exfoliate before you go in to remove hair, because when you exfoliate, you are removing dead skin cells from under your arms. So that's really important. Not only, and that kind of reminds me with the deodorant, other types of deodorants kind of leave debris, like that leftover stuff. This does not do that. It doesn't, there's nothing left over after I use this. And when you have that deodorant, the other types of deodorants, like regular commercial deodorants, it kind of stays with you no matter if you put water on it. Like, water and oil don't mix. Like, if you put water on it, soap and water, it's really hard to get that from under there, and it's really just old deodorant, you know, that's just really stuck under your arms. So like I said, make sure you're using a natural deodorant, and make sure before you shave that you exfoliate, but make sure you are using a gentle exfoliant. And I want to be clear on that, because if you're using a gentle exfoliant, if you're using a harsh exfoliant, you can actually burn your skin when you go to shave. So you want to use something gentle. I'll show you guys what I use. I like this by The Organics, and this is my favorite one. And this is their coffee one, and I will leave a link in the description box for this. Like, I'm not affiliated with them or anything. It just smells heavenly. It looks like it looks, but it's amazing. It's a very gentle exfoliant, and I will also leave in the description box some other gentle exfoliants that work well before you shave. Now, also when you are shaving, you want to make sure that you are using a razor that has for me, that works for me, that has at least 5 blades, so you don't have to keep going over and over and over and irritating your skin under your arms. Now, another thing that I feel like goes underrated, or not a lot of people do, is moisturizing under your arms. Now, I don't suggest any moisturizer. I suggest coconut oil, because coconut oil has lightening and brightening properties, and I would do this at night. So after you shower at night, or yeah, like I was gonna say if you don't shower at night, if you shower in the morning, but make sure that area is clean and then moisturize it with coconut oil. And I just use this type of coconut oil. I pick mine up from Whole Foods. I use organic, unrefined, and you can use any coconut oil, but this is just the type that I like to use. And this keeps that area moisturized, and it makes it so that your skin under your arms don't get too dry. And like I said, this has lightening and brightening properties. Now, there's also the cream that I was telling you guys about. If you haven't seen that video, the mousse that I like to use, and like I said, I will link that video below. But with the mousse, what that does is it helps to lighten and brighten that area, where you take turmeric, honey, as well as baking soda, lemon, and you kind of use it as a mask. So that's everything that I do. That's my full underarm routine. So like I said, has been the game changer for me, has been this deodorant, all natural deodorant. This is the most important. All of them are important, but this has been where I have noticed the most significant difference. And this is by Zion Health. This is just a sweet amber flavor, scent, but you can get any scent that you like. Again, I will leave this in the description box. And then make sure you exfoliate and before you shave, and then moisturize at night. I just wanted to come and answer you guys' questions. I'm not ignoring you. It's just hard to answer you all at one time through direct message. So I decided I'd just go ahead and do a video and answer all of you guys' questions. Also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is @a_beauty_beast, as well as follow my vlog channel. My vlog channel is called Victoria's House, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.